Dear students, today we will talk about the endoplasmic reticulum, the cell organelle, namely endoplasmic reticulum, or you can say ER, endoplasmic reticulum. The important structure of endoplasmic reticulum, actually it is a membrane system. Actually, it is a membrane system. Membrane system. Membrane system, which on one side is connected to the nuclear membrane, this, and on another side it is connected to the cell membrane. Important character of endoplasmic reticulum: on one side it is connected to the, it is a membrane system which is on one side connected to nuclear membrane, and another side it is connected to cell membrane. And this endoplasmic reticulum having having different types on the base of their appearance. Number one, it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. And why it is called as rough? Because due to the presence of these granules, presence of granules, or you can say these granules are ribosomes. These granules are ribosomes. These are ribosomes, granules. The membrane system on which the ribosomes are present is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And another is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum which does not have these granules present on the surface, which does not have like these are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That means ribosomes are not present. Ribosomes are absent from the surface, absent from surface, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Actually, these are the main two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And what are the functions of this endoplasmic reticulum? Number one function, rough endoplasmic reticulum, that means the ribosomes are present on the surface. It provides the surface for protein synthesis. That means proteins are synthesized on the surface of these the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum provides a platform for the protein synthesis. Different proteins required by the cell, they are synthesized on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. It is the main characteristic feature of endoplasmic reticulum. And another important function is that the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it for these tubular structures which does not have the ribosomes on them, they are used for the formation of lipid molecules. They synthesize lipid molecules. These lipid molecules, they are synthesized by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and these lipid molecules are very important for membrane formation. As you already know that the membrane contains lipids. That means membranes, every type of membrane present in the cell or on the cell, like cell membrane, the nuclear membrane, all the membranes of the organelles, they are formed of lipids, and these lipid molecules are formed by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That means the lipid molecules along with the proteins, they form the membrane of the cell, or you can say cell membrane, and this is known as membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis is important function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That means the lipid. Why membrane biogenesis? Membrane biogenesis, actually, in a short way, we can call it as membrane biogenesis like this. It is formation of membranes, formation of cell membranes with the help of lipids, and these lipids are formed by smooth endoplasm. It is a long process formation of how these cell membranes get formed, and the whole process is known as membrane biogenesis. how the membranes get formed, and these are formed by lipid molecules along with the protein molecules. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the membrane biogenesis. Another important character about this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that detoxification of drugs detoxification of drugs and poison detoxification of drugs and poison. Which drug you eat, that drug is detoxified in your body by your cells, and this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the detoxification of the drugs, or you can say poison. uh, poison. Every food when you eat, there are some little micro or nano quantities of poison. That means when you eat every type of food, some amount of food is very poisonous for us. That type of food is detoxified by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum is well developed in your liver cells. That is why the liver is usually used for the detoxification of substances. When any person drinks alcohol, usually we say that his liver gets damaged by alcohol. Why? Because these cells present in the liver, they have to work more and more for the detoxification of the alcohol. That is why his liver gets damaged. And these are the important functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it also transports the endoplasmic reticulum, they transport material. It transport material from cytoplasm to membrane space, or vice versa. That means some materials are transported from cytoplasm to the membrane space, or from membrane space to the cytoplasm. This transportation is important characteristic feature of endoplasmic reticulum. Therefore, the endoplasmic reticulum in a cell, it performs different types of functions which are very important for the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum we have tubules, we have vesicles, and these vesicles, or you can say tubules, there are different forms of endoplasmic reticulum. They may be membrane system like this, they may be tubules, they may be vesicles. There are different types of endoplasmic reticulum present in the cell, but the main two are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.